Hey everybody, I'm gonna show you how my dirt bike works. Hey, getting my dirt bike and we turn the light off, on, and got the throttle which is right here. Red is supposed to be right there. So you turn it on and red is right there because 3 of those are how much. Like if you need to charge it, if it's all the way down there, you need to charge it. And then right here at the horn.
Nice.
Then this is how fast it goes. This is how the kickstand works. You pull it back, you lean the dirt bike like that.
Nice.
And then it can stand up by itself. Level 1 was pretty fast. Not pretty fast. Level 3. And if you look at the tire, it goes very fast.
Nice.
I went on level 3, went at my mom's house on my dirt bike on level 3. So I can go in the rock and I wiggled. Number 2. Number 3 is the fastest of all. I like on 2 because it's fast and it's still safe. And I like 1 too. Make sure you wear a helmet when you ride a dirt bike.
Popping wheelies now? You're good at steering. All you gotta do is steer and hit the brakes if you need to. You know how to do it. Come on. Go. Hit it. Hit it. I knew you could do it. Nice, bro. You were standing up. That's a cool trick. I knew you could do it on 3, bro. That was pretty good.
I went on full throttle on 3.
I know. I told you could do it.
So, I'm gonna do my first ramp right there. I'm gonna go like right there to that tall tree.
Yep.
And then I'm gonna go on number 2 like I am right now.
Ezzie. Ezzie. Come on. Yeah. See, that wasn't hard. That was good. All right.
Then it's my boiler and it's 50cc. Give it the throttle. Here. Brake. Brake it little. We use the foot brake because it's much easier and onion drill. And we got the gas. This is where the gas goes. We put my number 4 in here. And that is
Bumper.
bumper, my bumper. You gotta wear a helmet when you ride a 4. It's the same that if you ride a dirt bike.
That's right.
And we got the key right here.
Press the button there to start it. All right.
Alright, I'm gonna have fun.
Nice, you did it.
My board is bigger
you go. Now you're getting it. Nice, you did it. Just barely got it. The tire stayed right on it, dude. But look, even if it went on one tire, it was still gonna be okay. You know what I mean? If 2 tires hit it and 2 didn't, it's okay. Yeah. Good job.
Thanks for watching.